This video will be covering the replacement of the axle from the 1952 design to a modern design Ford 9-inch ultra heavy duty from John's Industries. I've never done this before. This is how I did it. My weird axle installation ideas. So I went and built this bracket that fits this axle. And so my thought is, I'll come back here and I got this axle in place at ride height. So I will just cut all that stuff out of the way and set it down solid. And I'll weld this up on all the sides. I gotta take this rubber mount off. And then I'll brace this bracket a little. And then I'll tear the old axle out. And I can set the new axle in. And I'll put a U-bolt through these two holes, and that'll hold my axle in place, and I can rotate it and move it how I need to and do all that kind of stuff. That's my plan. We'll see how this all goes. So here you go, a little update. I got my bracket welded on, I got my axles clean, and I got my little brace. Next is tear this axle out. I got it on both sides. So I got everything off the axle, so I gotta go get the floor jack, some roller stands, and get this axle out of here and hold my new one up. There's the old axle. Here's my monster axle. It's a 3.5-inch, 1/4-inch wall axles coming out. Looks freaking great. My little brackets work, so if I need to twist it, I just got to get it centered in on both sides now, and then get wherever I think. And then I'm going to reuse these existing brackets, polish them up, and I'm just going to try to come right there, boom. And then from right up here, I'll come to right here, come across. So there's the axle, and then got distance. These are level, so I'm roughly 8 inches on each one of these to the shaft of the flange, and I think it turned out smooth. If you look right down the side, right in the center of my rocker, so it'll come out a little bit, and then I got 8 inches from here to there, so I got room for my 10-inch white tires barely. So there you go. With my modern axle in place, I'm ready to build my 4-link suspension, and that is the next thing I'm going to be showing you, is how I piece together my crazy thoughts to make some triangulated 4-link.